Parish in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, northwestern St. Mary Parish in south-central Louisiana, central St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Lake Falls Point, or 13 miles southeast of Catahoula, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Iberia, Franklin, Gillette, Baldwin, Laurelville, Sorrel, Glencoe, Lydia, Lake Falls Point, and Sheraton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,